Hi, Dave here for RealWheels Corporation with an overview of our American-made cover-up hub covers. In fact, RealWheels is the only American manufacturer of these stainless steel axle covers. By covering both the hub and lug nuts, these low-profile axle covers give your truck a streamlined appearance. And since there are no lug nuts to wash around, it's very easy to keep your wheels clean. Plus, because they are stainless steel, they won't crack when removing, which is a problem with the competitors' imported plastic covers. The cover-up hub cover for 19.5 10-lug steel or aluminum wheels is designed for Ford F450, F550, International TerraStar, and Dodge 4500 and 5500. The cover-up hub cover for 22.5 steel or aluminum wheels not only provides an outstanding appearance, but the front covers streamline the wheels, reducing drag and improving aerodynamics. Another great feature is how easily and securely they install. Simply mount the supply brackets to the axle ends, then secure the cover-up hub covers to the brackets with the supplied screws. All of our axle covers are made from heavy gauge, high quality, non-magnetic 304L stainless steel. They will not rust, pit, corrode, or turn yellow. And each axle cover is hand polished to a mere shine in our in-house buffing department. That's where we are able to offer a lifetime guarantee on the workmanship of each cover and its mere shine finish. For more information, visit our website at realwheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180.